So, hello, digital marketing community. I want to welcome you to another section of review on our tool, right? So, for this particular tool, this is called Top Search Queries. So, what this tool will help you to do is this tool is going to help you identify the top keywords that are being searched per location, right? So, for we have quite so for here we just restricted to some locations. So we have Brazil, Australia, Canada, France, Germany, India, Ireland, Mexico, Singapore, United Kingdom, United States. Right. So we're looking to still integrate more countries like Nigeria, especially African countries here and there. Right. So same drill. Our website is still here. So we have been using MP Digital and MP Digital. Right. So with this tool, you can discover top search queries, track performance, optimize content strategy. Right. So basic SEO, improve website rankings. So the how this tool works is your website is already here. All you just need to do is select the location. So for me, I'm going to select Brazil. Sorry, Australia, and I'm going to click on the tests. Right now, what happens is this tool is going to bring just five. Right, so we're still doing some testing. Sometimes we're still trying to work on getting more results. Right, so the tool is going to bring five top search queries, right, and it's going to give you on your ranking where you rank, the volume, the cost per click, the difficulty, the clicks, how many clicks you get, and on which particular position, right? So if you do Germany tests, definitely it's going to change. So if you see MP near Patel, digital marketing agency, MP anywhere, MP where, sorry. So rank, volume, cost per click, difficulty, the clicks, the home pages. So this is what you can do with this tool, right? You put your website and your country, right? And it's going to give you the top search queries, how people are looking for you, right? So see you in the next one. Cheers.